everybody. We're ready to do some maths together. Okay, right. So what we're going to do today is counting on from a given number. So can you see I've got the number 4. It says 4 add, and then we've got some flies, and it's equals, and then we have to work out how many altogether. So I'll show you how to do this. So I pop 4 in my head, pop 4, okay, and then I'm counting on 4 by counting the flies to see how many there are together. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch again. 4 in my head, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Right, should we do the next one together? Right, so put 6 in your head, please. 6. And we're counting on from the 6. 6, 7. Good. There are 7. Right, let's do one more together. Right. 3 add something equals something. Okay. Let's put 3 in our head. 3 and count on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number have I got? I've got 7 again. There we go. Let's put that one in. Right, I want you to try and do the next one on your own. Okay. How did you get on? Did you put the 2 in your head? You need to count on from 2. 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. 4. Do the next one on your own. Five in your head. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You might have known this one straight away. You might have known that the answer is 10. How would you know that? That's right, because you can see the 5 ants there, and you know that 5 add 5 equals 10. Brilliant counting on, everybody. Well done. Okay, so today we are going to think about 3D shapes. Remember, 3D shapes are our solid shapes, okay? Not our flat shapes like our circle, a triangle, a rectangle, and our square. There are 2D shapes, our flat shapes. We're thinking of the ones that have faces all around, our 3D shapes. So I've got a little song for us to listen to first. So I'll pull that up and just have a listen, and it will help us to learn some of the 3D shape names.
It's a cube, it's a cuboid, it's a cylinder, it's a sphere or it's a cone. I know all about them, I can fill in the list of all the things I've known.
A cube has 6 faces, all the same. See the numbers on a dice. The edges are a square, so it stacks very well. Add flavor to your gravy, add chill with some ice.
A cuboid has 6 faces, not all the same, with square corners on each face. It's very good for building and for packing things. It's a building, it's a shelf, it's a CD case. It's a cube, it's a cuboid, it's a cylinder, it's a sphere or it's a cone. I know all about them, I can fill in the list of all the things I've ever known.
A sphere has 1 face which curves right round, and it hasn't any edges at all. It's exactly the same whichever way it's turned. It's a planet, it's an orange, it's a rolling ball.
There's 1 curved face and 1 sharp point, and 1 edge on a hollow cone. You can fill it with ice cream or wear it on your head, or corns can sort the traffic jams on the road.
3 faces on a cylinder, 2 flat, 1 curved. You see cylinders everywhere.
It's very good at rolling. You can use one as a wheel. Could be a biscuit or spaghetti or a human hair. It's a cube, it's a cuboid, it's a cylinder. It's a sphere or it's a cone. I know all about them. I can fill in the list of all the things I know.
Okay, I'm going to try and learn some of the words to that song. But right now, I want to show you a PowerPoint all about those different shapes that they talked about. So here we go. Now this one is called a sphere. Can you say that? A sphere. Sphere. Curved face that goes all the way around. Can you think of some things that are sphere shapes? The earth that we live on is round, isn't it? You might have a globe at home that's a sphere, or a lovely orange is a sphere. Right, do you know this shape? Say it if you do. Well done if you said cube. We say that together, cube. Can you think of anything that is a cube shape? Well done if you thought about a dice or some presents. Anything else you can think of that's a cube shape? Often parcels come in cube shapes, don't they? Do you know this shape? Well done if you said pyramid. Say that together, pyramid. And this is called the Egyptian pyramids. So this is in Egypt. There's some very special sculptures that you can see called the pyramids. Do you know this shape? This is called a cuboid. Should we say that together? A cuboid. Brilliant. And here's some examples of some cuboids. Your cereals. Do you have cereals in the morning? Those boxes are cuboid shapes. A loaf of bread is a cuboid shape. Do you know this shape? Well done if you said cylinder. Say that one together. Cylinder. And toilet roll tubes. They are cylinder shape. And lots of tins are cylinder shapes. There's a yummy tin of baked beans. Do you know this shape? It's a cone. Well done, a cone. A traffic cone. An ice cream cone. Can you see it at the bottom? Just because it's upside down, it's still a cone. Super. And this one, and we're not going to worry too much about this one today, is called a triangular prism. And tents can be triangular prisms. Right, so that's us thinking about 3D shapes today. So your challenge today is to start thinking about the 3D shapes that you can find at home, either in your house or go for a walk and see what 3D shapes you can see. Let me just show you my screen again. There we go. Right, so what you have to do is go on a shape hunt and see what 3D shapes that you find. Now, Mrs. Boffin had a look around her house to see what she could find. She found lots of spheres. Look, Stefan loves playing cricket at the moment. So here's his cricket ball and an orange. Found an apple, which is a sphere shape. And what's this? A ball. It has a curved face all the way around. And Stefan's little snowman that he made up of 3 spheres. So that's the spheres I found. There's cylinders. Cylinders. I found some yummy chopped tomatoes. I love pasta sauces, and I always put chopped tomatoes in my pasta sauces. So that's one cylinder. Okay. Here. So I can do some baking, make some chocolatey things. It's cocoa powder. And my speaker is a cylinder shape with a circular faces, curves right round, doesn't it? Our cylinders. And some herbs. Got some basil here, another cylinder. I find lots and lots of cylinders. My water bottle, felt tip pen. It'll be interesting what you can find when you go for your shape hunt. I didn't find many cubes. Maybe you'll find more cubes than me. So I found a dice and I found a little tin. Oh, is this a cube? No, this is a cuboid. I meant to show you this one. This is a cube because it's all squared faces, whereas this one is a cuboid because it's got rectangular faces and squared faces. Right, so what you need to do is go for a shape hunt and see what shapes you can find. Take some photos of the lovely things that you find and then put on tapestry. You could draw the ones that you find. So on my sheet, you can see here that it says, can you find a sphere, cone, cylinder? And then you can always just draw the different things that you find either at home or going out and about for a lovely walk. I can't wait to see what lovely 3D shapes you find and see if you can have a go at saying all their names. Well done, everybody.